Alright, so the Hikvision just dropped what might be one of the biggest upgrades we have seen in video intercom system in years. So this is the brand new Hikvision, a 10.1 inch Android powered indoor station paired with either the DS-KV6114 or the DS-KV6124 4MP Villa door station. And honestly, this thing feels like a smart home control tablet that happens to answer your front door. So today we are checking out the full kit, unboxing it, setting it up, comparing both outdoor stations, testing the video quality, and looking at one of the craziest new features like Android app side loading directly onto the indoor monitor. First impression, the Dio indoor station is massive compared to other Hikvision room stations. Huge 10.1 inch touchscreen with really sharp display, thin bezels, smooth UI, and honestly feels premium straight away, immediately. This isn't one of those cheap plastic indoor monitors anymore. So the whole thing feels like very modern. And because this now runs Android 14, the performance difference is noticeable straight away. So menus are smoother, touch responsive faster, even transition feels very clean. So it actually feels like using a proper smart device now instead of an old school intercom interface. So inside the box you get the indoor station itself, mounting bracket, power accessories, screws, manual. These are pretty standard stuff, but the actual hardware is what stands out. So now moving into the outdoor station, you have got two options here. One is the DS-KV6114-WBE1, the other one is 6124-WBE1. Both are 4MP door station, both support mobile app unlocking, both support RFID cards, both support Hik-Connect, and both support dual lock outputs, both support PoE, and both have the same wide angle 150-degree camera. So, but the big difference is simple. The KV6124 has a layout at the keypad that means pin code unlocking. So that's 6124. And honestly, for a lot of people, that's going to be the better option. So especially for Airbnb properties, officers, renters and cleaners, tradies or family members who don't want to rely on the app all the time. So the KV6114 is cleaner and simple. The KV6124 is more flexible. Personally, I think the KV6124 is probably the sweet spot for most installers. Now let's talk installation. So if you're doing this professionally, PoE is definitely the way to go. So one Ethernet cable to the indoor station, one Ethernet cable to the outdoor station, that's it, done. So power and communication all through the same cable. So simple, straightforward and very reliable and clean. But this is where the new generation gets interesting, because now the indoor station supports Wi-Fi 6, which makes the retrofit way easier than older systems. So if you are upgrading an existing home and can't run cables everywhere, you have actually got flexibility now. So once everything is connected to Hik-Connect, the whole system comes alive. So calls goes direct to your phone. You can remotely unlock doors and view cameras, talk to visitors, open gates remotely, and because it's all tied into Hikvision ecosystem, it works really well with existing Hikvision CC systems also. Now let's talk about the features everybody is interested in. Android apps. Yes, this indoor station runs Android 14, and yes, again, people are already sideloading apps onto it. That means things like home assistant, dashboards, smart home control apps, weather widgets, third-party CCTV apps, automation tools. This basically turns the indoor station into a well-monitored smart home control. And this is probably where video intercom systems are heading now, because this isn't just an answer in the door system anymore. So it's becoming your CCTV monitor, your smart home screen, your access control panel, your intercom, your automation dashboard also, all in one device. And because the hardware inside is actually decent now, it can finally handle it properly. Now let's talk image quality. The 4MP camera upgrade is noticeable straight away. Faces are sharper, the images is cleaner, and because of the super wide angle lens, you can actually see parcels near the door instead of just someone sending directly in front of it. At night, the performance is solid as well. So, and the audio quality is a massive improvement over older intercom systems. The indoor station uses a dual microphone which echo cancellation. So conversations actually sound natural now instead of sounding like a cheap speakerphone. Now, who is the system actually for? Honestly, premium homes, new builds, smart homes, Airbnb properties, offices, small businesses, electric gate systems. Especially if you have already used Hikvision cameras, because having everything integrated into one ecosystem just make life very easy. So, and this feels way more professional than most consumer smart doorbells. Now, one thing that's important with system like this is support, because intercom systems can get more complicated once you start adding electric locks, gates, multiple indoor stations, mobile access and integrations. And that's why buying from Tradie actually matters. You are getting genuine Australian stock, local warranty, technical support, compatibility advice, and access to installer if needed, which makes a huge difference with product like this, especially compared to buying random overseas stock online with zero support, and they could be great products as well. So overall, I genuinely think this is one of Hikvision's best intercom systems yet. The new indoor station finally feels modern, the Android integration changes everything, the hardware feels premium, and paired with the KV6114 or 6124, this becomes a seriously powered smart entry system. Personally, if I was installing one today, I would go with KV6124. The keypad just gives you way more flexibility in long term. But let me know what you guys think. Would you install a full smart intercom system like this, or are basic smart doorbells will enough for you? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you in next one with more details.